Hi family, This is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy, and I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist that practices the sacred art of colon hydrotherapy, herbs, and natural living. I want to talk about hygiene and taking care of our skin and how that rolls into how your digestion plays a huge role in moving waste out of the body. So I want to start off with saying that we have 5 channels of elimination: your colon, your kidney, your lungs, your skin. And then the 5th for women that most people often forget about is our uterus. Yes, our uterus is a channel of elimination. I will do a video about that topic next, right? So keeping on topic with the lymphatic system and hygiene and taking care of our skin. Oftentimes, in order for our lymphatic system, well, actually not oftentimes, the way that our lymphatic system moves is by you moving it. So if you don't move on a regular basis, or you have a very sedentary lifestyle, meaning that you sit a lot, you don't really twist or bend or stretch, like your day doesn't require you to move like that, you can probably just literally sit at a desk all day and type, and that's probably the only movement that you have in your day. This message is specifically for you because you need to move. But anybody and everybody over the age of 7 needs to hear this message, right? So your lymphatic system moves waste out of your body through 5 channels of elimination. But if you are not moving, if you're not pumping, if you're not breathing deeply, most people breathe up to about right here. Technically, we should be breathing all the way underneath our navel because your organs are down here. They're not up here in your chest, right? So the first thing is that you have to breathe properly. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your nose. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your nose. Your mouth is not for breathing. Your mouth is for eating. So most people, breathe through their mouth. I am happy that you're breathing, but if we can shift with breathing in and out of your nose, that's what your nose is designed for. And if you have any nasal congestion or hay fever or allergies or anything like that, you might want to check yourself and see if you're breathing through your mouth. If you're breathing through your mouth, that could be the reason why there is stagnation. Hence the reason why we're talking about moving. Does that make sense? So the body is designed to move. If you have any congestion in your body, it doesn't matter if it's acne, if it's dandruff, if it's congestion like sinus, tension, headaches, etc., if it's constipation, if it's high blood pressure, all of those things are not normal, and they are signs that alignment is out of alignment. So instead of your body being here, it is slightly like this. So what I would recommend to increase lymphatic dumping, increase lymphatic pumping, increase the opportunity for your 5 channels of elimination to be open, and this is for anybody over the age of 7, you should be washing your body not with a hand towel, but either a loofah or a body brush, specifically for the motion. You need to clean your skin. A towel is not going to clean a grown person's skin. You need to get in there with some brushes and some bristles and kind of get in there and do some circular motions, right? I guarantee you, when you start washing your body in that manner and also washing your body with a natural soap like Dr. Bronner's, I don't recommend that you start off with peppermint. Peppermint is for gangsters. Right? You're going to get that peppermint in areas that God did not intend peppermint to be in. So I recommend that you start off with something gentle like lavender or orange, or they have a lot of different other scents that you can use. Lavender is one of my favorites. I also use the baby scent. I just love the softness and the gentleness of it. I'm always looking to treat my body like a baby. How would I handle a baby? That's how you want to treat your body, because you only get one of these. You don't have a warehouse that I can call and be like, okay, Mo needs an extra throat. Like it doesn't exist. So we have to care for this in a manner in which it's constantly producing for us and holding us in light, if you will. I'm trying to see if that's my client coming in. I don't think so. Okay, anywho, let me check the time. Oh, not I think there's somebody standing there at my door. Oh yeah, there's somebody fixing their shoes. Excuse me, I'm waiting on a client really quick. But so the two things that you want to do to keep your 5 channels of elimination open by pathways of your lymphatic system is, number 1, do not wash with, or I'm going to take that back. That word is going to exit my vocabulary today. I would like for you to start using a body brush or a loofah, one of the two, right? So you're going to start using that all over. You don't want to use loofahs on your face. Let me point that out. You do not use loofahs on your face, but there are facial brushes that you can get that are very, very gentle to gently wash your face. You can also use that same brush inside of your ear. I do that. I wash my ear or brush my ear. I also brush my navel. I'm going to be very honest with you. I have been a massage therapist for a long time. I'm not even going to tell you how long I've been a massage therapist. I cannot tell you, when I started doing abdominal massage, how I want to put on some gloves because people's navels, I'm just itching thinking about it. Their feet and their navels are unrealistically dirty. So I've been washing the inside of my navel since I can't remember. I don't know if you do that, but I do. I also have a very, I have a brush. It's probably about as big as this pencil, but it's a bristle brush and it's for your feet. And I use that in between my toes to get in between my toes. I'm gonna tell you something. A couple of weeks ago, I had a client on my table and I kept smelling yeast and I could not figure out what that scent was. I'm like, what is that? What is that? So I lean over to shift the water and her feet are sitting right there. And I said, Spirit, I know this is not this young lady's feet smelling like this. And it was. I said, Queen, let me help you with hygiene, because that is a sign that you are not caring for yourself. And if you're not caring for yourself at that level, you can get a serious infection. You are too young to be having your feet like this. Use a bristle brush. Get in between those toes. If these are your toes, pour the soap in between your toes and get up in there. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. I really don't understand why I'm having this conversation right now that I think about it. But I am. I'm here, and I'm here to have these difficult conversations in love and light so that you will not be caught out there with less than perfect hygiene. I would not allow you. As your favorite colon therapist, I would not allow you to be out there in these streets like that. So please take my advice. Bristle brushes, they have all different types and sizes. For me, in my personal arsenal in the morning, in my care kit that you literally take to the shower, I think I have about 3 different body brushes and 2 different loofahs for my body. So I'm in there for a cool minute, like, tightening stuff up. I don't know if you do that, but all I'm saying is this: if you do it, I guarantee you won't go back to what you were doing. So try it. Let me know what you think. My name is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy, and I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist. Feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is 562-682-0818. My website is Moya, MOYA bodycare.com, and my private office is located in Torrance, California. Until then, be great and amazing. Mwah.